This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Daniel Laredo. Upgraded courtyard home with lovely pool in Sable Pass of Parkland. 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath floor plan. Separate guest house with full bath and private entrance provides a great in-law or office suite. High ceilings offers a ton of natural light and gives the home an expansive feel the moment you walk in. Kitchen upgraded with full wood cabinets, granite counters and stainless steel appliances. Double door entry to a completely separate large master bedroom suite. Entire home is concrete, even the second-story subfloor is poured concrete. Fruit-bearing mango tree in back. Recent fridge, stove, AC, garage door motor, water heater and washing machine. Entire home is being painted in neutral colors, and new wood floors throughout the entire first floor. Hurry, at this price point this 5-bedroom home won't last. For more information, review the details below.